process today of doing some work. There was some water damage in here. It's kind of an odd setup. Laundry is in the hall bathroom, but I may move it at some point, but for the time being we're just going to leave it. I do have a little bit of joist damage here in the bathroom, so I'm going to wind up sistering onto the sides of these floor joists, which I'll shoot video of while I'm doing it. And then I got to do a little bit of repair work on the band. Pretty simple process. Just sistering some new 2x10s onto the sides of these. There's not a ton of damage on them, but I didn't want to really let it go, especially since I was at a point where I had to repair some of the subfloor anyway, and it's very easy for me to get in here versus dragging all this back through the crawl space. So basically, like I said, I went about 5 feet back, sistered onto the sides of these joists, covering anything. There's only about maybe a foot or 2 foot section where they had gotten some moisture to them at some point. The outer band is showing a little bit of wear too, well, actually a lot, but that's where I put some blocking in at the very ends of the cavities. And then I'm going to add another 2x4 back on top of my footer wall and back underneath of these joists just in case anything's settled at all. I've got plenty for the joist to be resting on, so that should address the issues. And this is the only spot that I've seen in the entire house that had any kind of wear in the floor joist or anything like that. And we knew pretty early on because I could step back in this bathroom and the floor was kind of soft in this corner, so I don't know if it was from the washer and dryer over the years or just this part of the outside of the house let some moisture transfer through on the band, but this should address it, take care of it, shouldn't have any more problems. So just wanted to kind of bring you guys along, show you what I was doing with this. A lot more projects to get to on the house, so stay tuned for newer videos, but we appreciate you being here. Take care and have a good day.